Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. Here, Mr. Adi. Today, I'm going to start the Pearson section. So, if you want to get 100% grade in this assignment, you must follow this video step by step, and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. So, the name of this chapter is Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. So, basically, in this assignment, 13 steps are given to perform this project. Let's move on. Step number 1. Before starting this assignment, if you want me to do this assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MyLab Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Let's move on. Step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name exp225 Excel chapter 2 ML2 vacation property. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So basically in step number 1, we will go into your Pearson course and we will download our instruction file and answer file. So first point is related to download your instruction file and answer file. This is our instruction file and this is our answer file where we will perform our all instruction steps on it. So step number 1 is related to download your instruction and answer file. So step number 2 now. Our step number 2 is write an if function in cell D9 that calculates the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is 15% of the purchase price if the customer is considered high risk, or 5% of the purchase price if considered low risk. The criteria to assess the risk of the loan is based on the credit score value in cell B6. If the credit score is less than the low risk cutoff for 50, the down payment is 15% of the purchase price. If not, the down payment is 5% of the purchase price of the home. Be sure to use appreciate, absolute, or mixed cell references when referencing the input values in the range B4 up to B6. Then use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell D28. So basically in step number 2, we will insert a if function to calculate the down payment for the mortgage. Go to answer sheet and we will switch the cell D9 and we will insert a if function. So this is our if function, double click and insert function here. So we will take the logic test. Okay. If the credit score is less than the low risk cutoff 450, so we will take the logic test. So if the credit score is less than 450, so we will exclude this reference. So we will exclude this cell. Okay. So if the credit score is less than 450 mean B6, okay, and then the down payment is 15% of the purchase price, then the down payment is 15% of the purchase price. So where down payment, okay, here. So then the down payment before is, then the down payment is 15% of the purchase price. So multiply by purchase price here. This is one is purchase price. So we'll also exclude this cell before. So if the down payment is, if the down payment of the purchase price, if the down payment is 15% of the purchase price, okay, then press tab again, and if not, then the down payment is 5% of the purchase price. Okay, 5% of the purchase price. We will also exclude this cell. 5% of the purchase price, multiply by again purchase price. B9. Okay. So after this, we'll just click red. Okay. So then use the fill handle to copy the formula to down stopping in cell D28. So we'll fill this formula. Okay. Up to D28. So step number 2 is done. Now step number 3. Step number 3 is enter a formula to calculate the percent financed in cell E9. The percent finance is the amount financed divided by purchase price. Next, use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping cell E28. So basically in step number 3, we will calculate the percent finance in cell E9. Okay, cell E9. First we will display the cell E9. So here we will insert the function. So is equal to purchase price minus down payment bracket close divided by again purchase price and press enter. Okay. So and next use the fill handle to copy the formula stopping cell E28. So we'll fill the formula up to E28. Okay. Yes. So step number 3 is also done. Now step number 4. So step number 4 is enter a formula in cell E9 to calculate the amount finance. The amount finance should be calculated as the purchase price down payment. After entering the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell F28. So basically in step number 4, we will insert a formula to calculate the amount finance in F9. So here, so is equal to B9 is our purchase price minus down payment and press enter. Okay, and also we'll drag this up to F28. So step number 4 is also done. Now step number 5. So step number 5 is use the VLOOKUP function in cell G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and data in the range D4 up to E6. Be sure to use appreciate cell, absolute or mixed cell references. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell G28. So basically in step number 5, we will use the VLOOKUP function. Okay, and we will calculate the mortgage rate. Okay, so go to cell G9 and we will insert the VLOOKUP function. Okay, insert function here. So here we will take the lookup value. So we will take the lookup value, which one? G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score. So look, our lookup value is our credit score C9. Okay, press tab and we will take the table array, and table array is already given D4 up to E6. So whereas our this range D4 up to E6. Okay, and we will exclude this range, put the dollar sign. Okay, and press tab, and we will take the column index. Our column index is here in column 2 because our mortgage percentages are given in column 2 in this table. Okay, that's why we will put here 2 and press tab, and range lookup is true here. Okay, after this we'll just click that. Okay, and use the fill handle. Okay, so we'll fill handle this range. Okay, so step number 5 is completely done. Now step number 6. Our step number 6 is calculate the rate per period in cell H9. All mortgages being financed will be paid monthly. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy formula down stopping in cell H20. 8. So basically in step number 6, we will calculate the rate per period in cell H9. So H9, okay. So go to answer sheet and we will enter the function here. So mortgage rate divided by 12 because we are calculating the monthly mortgages and in one in year there are 12 months. That's why we are putting here 12. Okay, and press tab. So we will fill this handle. Okay. So step number 6 is completely done. Now I have done almost 50% of this assignment. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you a plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MyLab Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses and we have granted that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.